Well, hello, hello, hello. I've got all kinds of mail, so we're doing a mail call. I got, the last couple of days, we made stuff delivered on Sunday, so go figure. Amazon is really good about the deliveries, though. UPS delivered, and they left it outside the gate for it. Might as well left the sign, hey, come and get me. At least, and the gate was open. Now, and I thought it was a crack up because Amazon closed the gate and then propped this against the gate and took their picture, I'm sure, and said, hey, we delivered it. I think it's hilarious, these guys. I mean, I get them. I think Amazon usually puts it right on the doorstep. But, okay, we're going to take it as it is. So these are Amazon thingies. And then I also have a more of my HSN Craft Day. And then actually something off the beaten path for me, which is I got something from Stampin' Up. I don't frequently order, but this time around there was something really, really cute. I had to have it. So there you go. And oh, look, I'm sitting here. And guys, when I'm sitting here, I'm sitting right there is a sliding glass door. And there's a moth, a big moth, like, ooh, the light, come to the light. Okay, moth. But no, the moth is okay. I guess I can't get in. So it mothed away. So let's see of the stuff that I ordered. What did I get from Amazon? Because there was, oops, this is going to fall apart. So open this up and oh, look, I got them. I ordered these, excuse me, for future swaps. So I should be able to, okay, can I open? Okay, is there science to opening this little Ziploc bag other than, let's see. Let's lick our fingers. There we go. I got it. And I got these from, idea from V&A, and I go, gosh, I love how those look. So I got the same little small bags that have that holographic look, but to put for shaker mixes. I'm like, well, heck. So that's what I got. I got 100 of these, and they weren't that expensive. So now I have lots and lots of little shaker for making shaker mixes. I think that is very, very cool. So all of these items, I will link you down below if you guys are interested in getting them yourselves. This is straight from KSCRAFT, which is, I follow them too on Amazon, and I really like a lot of their stuff. And I missed ordering the shaker bits. I really should have ordered it, and then I hemmed and hawed my way into not being able to get it in time for Valentine's Day. But I'll order it and get it for next year. So that is a regular little thing. A V&A got it, and then I realized, and I go, oh, I should order it. And of course, I'm going to order it anyway. It will arrive. It does arrive. I can get it in time for Valentine's. I just can't get it in time for the swap I'm doing. So let me take it back. But I went ahead and ordered these because they were really cool. And they're bows. So I can, they're dies to make bows, and you get them in 2 sizes. So I can make a little itty bitty bow, and then I can make a full size bow. And these, again, were not that expensive. They were really a good price. So I went ahead and picked them up. They're one of the shops I follow. And I realized, oh my gosh, V&A and I follow the same little shop. So that's what came in this envelope, right? Yes, that's it. So now let's see what came in the bigger one, because I don't remember what I ordered. That was a few days ago. And oh wow, it's big. Whoa, that's bigger than I expected. Wow. Holy mackerel. And that's the smaller one. So they're in 2 sizes, or are they the same size? I got 2 of them. I thought I only ordered 1 of them. So this one's large. That's medium. Holy cow. Okay. So you're saying, what are you friggin' talking about? These are Rosette dies, but they give a diamond tip. Really, really good. But these guys are big. I'm like, holy mackerel. But the solution to this is just to cut my paper thinner. Smaller, but wow. This is really, really big. And I ordered both the large and a medium, never thinking that they meant it. That this is large. These are, I mean, look at this. This die is huge. I'm just cutting it so I can cut them straight. It's not like, because otherwise they'll cut all wonky. I'll tear all wonky. And that's just my AR in me. But if I open this, to measure it off this mat, it is, my gosh, it's like 8 1/4 inches by 2, and let's call it 2 3/4. And that's that's the large one. So the medium is going to be just a little bit smaller, but not by much. wow, this is way bigger. So we're going to have to play with this and make rosettes, and that will be very cool. No matter what, it's like, yay, this is that way. I don't have to sit here and score. That is, I'm like, I'm so over scoring. And then I got some shaker bits, some pretty pink. And these are just, they're hearts. So yeah, they are hearts. So I just got these, literally I Googled I searched for shaker, Valentine shaker bits. And there was a ton. You can also look, they do have a lot that are supposedly for nail art. But I liked it. I love the pink color. It's perfect because I have a ton of red, but now we got little. This is little, and this is a nice, a fair amount. So, yay. Okay. Let's go now for the box, and this is from Craft Day. And wait a minute, let me use my, no, let's not risk cutting or cutting myself. This is what the Amazon tool is for. From Craft Day, and this is like the stuff that I really ordered that was totally off the beaten path, and I saw it, and I'm like, that looks really, really, really cool. And it's not something I normally order, but this is... Yeah, this is this is the Sweetshop, the Cakescicle. And, of course, it's a box full of paper. So, my goodness. But I went ahead and ordered these because I thought this would be fun to do with either the grandbabies or with my niece. So, this was the Cakescicle. Very cool thing. I'm like, this looks like fun. So that mold is pretty darn tootin' big. I mean, look at that heart compared to my hand. It is the palm of my hand and a little bit. So, it's not like my hands are small, but they're not that big, but they're not small either. So that's really, really cool. And it came, obviously, with a bunch of popsicles. I can get that. That's easy. But it came with the Meltums. So the melting chocolate, so in red and in pink. And then we have the double cookie dough. This is the mix, the red velvet. So it looked really yummy. I thought it would be really fun. So I will see about making this up and maybe having a day and make it with my granddaughter and Sydney. Both the girls. So I couldn't resist. I got that. I also, the other thing that's coming, I also went ahead and got the, what was the other one? Oh, the Cocoa Bomb. The Heart Cocoa Bomb maker. Oh, I thought that would be so cool to make some for Valentine's, and we are going in March. We are using the timeshare in Tahoe. We're going back to Tahoe for a long weekend while it's still snowing. So the very first weekend in March, I'll be gone to Tahoe, and we're going with my sister and my brother-in-law, my niece, and my daughter's going to try the meat. But I thought that would be fun, even though it'll be already after Valentine's. But I think it'll still be fun to make homemade heart-shaped cocoa bombs. So I thought, oh, I'm going to get this. This will be something fun to do. Okay. The last package is, like I said, from Stampin' Up. And it's been a long time since I've gotten anything for Stampin' Up. We could probably talk years. And I have a couple of YouTubers I do follow on YouTube. There's a lot of them out there. They're a great inspiration for card making. They're amazing. But this time they came, I saw one of the card that was demonstrated. I loved. And I will be doing this. I had to get the kit, but the stamp got me, and I ended up getting a couple of other things because, again, it's that thing about self-control. I have none. But I went ahead and ordered a few things for them because it's like we support our stores. I also believe in supporting our independent Stampin' Up retailers. These are women like you and like me who are doing their thing and taking what they love to do and making, a living at it. And I totally support that. So I went ahead, I ordered, this was what got me. Was the cats. They are so stinking, they're so simple, but so cute. I love it. Head over heels about you. I love hanging out with you. Hi there, Valentine. These are all, Valentine related, but here are the stamps. And of course, these are the stickers that you can stick on the stamps so you know what your stamps are, but they are red rubber. And I love red rubber stamps. This is one of the things I love about Stampin' Up is they have really high quality stamps. So I couldn't resist. I had to go over to the dark side. And I picked this one up. And then I picked this Valentine's one, which I just loved it. It had that kind of, a shabby chic. That's what I'm looking at. That shabby look. I love the way the cursive writing is. I love that we are friends. For you, I love you. With love. Happy Valentine's Day. I just wanted to say. And then you can say any of these. But I just thought this was so pretty. It's really, it's like a French country. These are I'm positive. I think Stampin' Up only does photopolymer. I can't imagine they don't, but let's find out. Hang on. Let me unwrap. Oh, goodness gracious. Let's see. Oh, yeah, photopolymer. You can smell it. You can, yeah, I swear. But there's a whole bunch of stamps here. And I thought, oh, this is going to be fun since, at that point I thought, okay, I don't have anything from Valentine's because I can't find it. Well, now I have a world of Valentine stuff. But there you go. We're back to that lack of self-control. So I got these, and then they had some I went ahead and ordered these little flower shaker bits, the little clay ones, because they are so cute. So let's open that up. So let me see. Can I open this without going all over the place? Let's see. Is it just can we twist it? I have no idea how to. Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at that. Tell me those aren't so cute. So I picked those up because I have no self-control and they're shaker bits and I love shaker bits. So there we go. Put it back in the bag. Let's put it back in the bag and shape them up so it's doubly sealed. It's not going anywhere. And then I went ahead and picked up I picked up the paper this paper goes with this one. So this is does it say here? It is the Country Floral Lane, 12 by 12. And I just really liked it. This is what they call their designer series paper. Let me see if I can open this up carefully. There we go. And let's open this and let's pull this out. Let me see. I don't want to pull it all the way out because that way it's semi-protected. So I'm just going to squiggle this and we'll flip through it. So it's just, and I love these colors. This is like a peachy pink. Look at that, how pretty those hearts are. And this is really cute paper. Very Valentine-y in a non-traditional Valentine color, which I thought was adorable. Totally, I love this. The bicycles, look at that blue. That blue is so pretty. And just very whimsical, very whimsical. Oh, and that paper, that's it. That paper, and look at the back. Look at the back with the blue. I love it. It would be awesome with those hearts. Using the card and those hearts that I picked up from Daiso that are in the blue. And this paper is gorgeous. It's just gorgeous. I love the paper and the stripes. And then look at the blues again. I really am pleased with this paper pack. So those, and then the little red hearts. So I am really pleased. I am glad I picked these up. And it's just great paper, and it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I'm sitting here, huffing paper because that's what you do when you're a crazy person. Okay, what have I got here? All right. I forget which one. This one I think I wanted. I don't remember why. It just spoke to me. I really like it. So this was Rain or Shine. There was something that I saw in the inspirations that I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to do my take on it. So this is wonderful. This is what they call their designer series. And can you see those clouds? It's embossed. So can you see? Hopefully you can see that little shine to it. Let me cross it. So I wasn't expecting that. I never saw that. I couldn't tell when I was online. So we have these. Oh, everything has a bit of a shine. So we have these little critters that are stinking adorable. But can you see all the water? The blue little water puddles and the turtle's shell, and then the fox and the bunny's jackets are all shiny. So, oh my gosh, I was not expecting this. And then that's the back side of the paper, which is very looks like watercolored, very cute. And then these are raindrops. So I suppose it'd be going this way. Isn't that pretty? But again, you can see that shine. That is just wonderful background. You're gonna make me buy those darn stamps now. You watch. But I'm not a stamper. And look how pretty that is. Oh, that's an awesome background. But yeah, no, you can't waste it. You can't waste this. This will be so cute. And then I'm wondering if this is the one I got for free. I can't remember. One of the two, either this one or the one I'm opening up next is one I got for free for my order. And again, there's that shine. And that pig is too cute. And it's the umbrellas are outlined, and then all of their raincoats. Except for the turtle. It's his shell because he doesn't need a raincoat. He has one. Is all that is embossed. Wow, I did not see that coming. I wasn't anticipating that. And then these little raindrops in in a yellow and the pink. Who knew? And this, again, now we've got some more harder rain, almost like sleet, right? I don't know. We don't get sleet here in Southern California, so my people who have experience will have to tell me. But really, really, really pretty. And then, oh, I love that. And that's that pink. I love this. This is my favorite pink. That salmony, almost pink. Excuse me, pink. Gotta love it. And then, last but not least, are the umbrellas. Tell me that's not adorable. And I have, I'll just let you hint, I ordered the umbrella set from Spellbinders. I got them. I had to get them. They were so, so cute. So won't this look beautiful? Because that's what I do. I combine. I cross-pollinate everything I get with whatever I, you know, that works. But, so yes, I got this paper, and it is even better than I expected. So, I mean, yay me. And it all just fell to the floor. Well, rude. Okay, this is Dainty Flowers, and this bought them in my freebie one, because when you made an order, I think $50, then you got to pick an item for free, and of course I made that easily. So this was my, so one of the papers was my freebie, is what I ended up getting. I don't think it was the dies, I think, or the stamps. I'm positive it was one of these papers. It's what I really, really like. But this paper, this one is my favorite sheet. That alone, that's what got me. Okay, let me move this box. Goodness gracious, there we go. But this is just so pretty. I really love the designer, their paper. Not always. Oh, look at that. I mean, that is just such a pretty hint. Look at that. I'm as hot and cold. I have a few Stampin' Up things. I obsessively hunted down the chickens, the crazy chickens, because I love chickens. And look at that. So this is really, really, really cool. And there's going to be an online class that I'm going to take and do, and there'll be more cards that I can bring to you guys. Look how pretty that is. See? Can you see why I had to have this paper? Just so pretty, front and back. I should have ordered more. I should have. Oh my goodness, I am really, really in love with this paper. I love everything. That's why I order it. Because I have no self-control and a love affair with all things paper crafting. But this is so pretty. I just love it. I am really pleased. I'm really pleased with this paper pad. So I'm really happy camper with everything that I got. I usually am, because that's why I order it. What the heck, right? So anyway, this was just a quickie haul. You know, so there's still more stuff coming from HSN. The bulk of my order is still, I don't think it's shipped. I have to go look. It may have shipped yet. But hopefully at least, and hang on, let me get this up off the floor before I run it over with my own chair. That would make me very, very sad. But hopefully you enjoyed this, you know, shopping vicariously with me. I mean, just, you can go for the Stampin' Up stuff. I would just say, you know, look up any of the Stampin' Up YouTubers out there, or if you have your own friend that's a Stampin' Up rep, hit them up. There's some really, really cool stuff. Their celebration is going on right now, which is how I ended up getting the free item. So, I went ahead and ordered my stuffage. So that's all I have for you today. If you had a great time, if you enjoyed my little shopping spree, then give me a thumbs up, drop me a note, okay? Say hi! And if you want to see more of my continuing madness and to see what is she going to buy next. Next thing she knows, she's going to buy an elephant. Don't put it past me. Then subscribe and ring that bell, and you'll know when I will be back with the rest of my shopping. All right, guys? Meanwhile, I'm going to let you go. You guys craft and make something beautiful. I'm going to try to. I'm going to sit down and work on my... I'm going to start the tutorial on the clipboard I made for V&A's swap with my little, you know, because I'm making it for myself, so I'm going to add some stuff, you know, just, you know, tweak it now. And, but I'll be back with more crafting, I promise. Okay, guys? I'm getting there. Today, I dug out all the Valentines, and I was reorganizing the scrap box and making everything so that I can work and I can find stuff easier than I have. But there's still stuff that I need to go through, but the bulk of what I use more often is, I think now here, there's still about 3 boxes in the garage, but I'm getting there. I'm getting there. So thank you for hanging out. I'm going to let you guys go, okay? So don't ever forget, while we're at it, that we're all a little mad here. So come, craft the madness with me, okay? I'm going to talk to you guys later. Bye!